Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I shape my brows. If you want to see how to do it from the comfort of your home, then please keep on watching this video. And the only things I'm going to be needing to shape my brows is of course a brow spoolie and my razor blade. So I'm going to just start out by, and also you would need a brow pencil. The reason why I have a brow pencil is because I want to use this brow pencil as a guide to map out the area that I don't want to trim off. So I'm going to start out from like the beginning parts of my eyebrows, which is this area right here. Yeah, I want to take off any hair that comes off outside of that area. Then also the ends of my brows should be somewhere here. Yeah. Should be somewhere here. Let's just smooth it out again. So any hair outside of that area, I'm gonna take it off. And then the highest points towards the end of this area right here. This area right here. I think that area is good. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to reach out for a new razor blade. Using the Tiger razor blade. I think I'm already used to this particular razor blade. If you are in Nigeria, I'm quite sure you should be familiar with this razor blade brand. But you can work with whatever cutting tool you have. Let's start. I'm going to have to use something to hold up this mirror, so you guys get to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to start from the bottom part. So on the bottom part, I'm just going to take out all the hairs that are just underneath this area here. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking out the undergrowth here. Okay. So then next, I'm going to brush the hairs upwards and take out the ones that are too long and outside of this area that I had shaped out. So what am I doing? This, yeah, these two here, and these two here. Yeah, okay. So you can see now, just got my brows looking full. Then let's just clean out this stuff here. I don't think I have much hairs towards the end of my brow. Yeah, I think this one looks good now. So I can proceed to working on this other side right here. You can see it's very easy, guys. So I'm just going to start to take out the hairs underneath this area here. You want to be very careful so you don't cut yourself. I think I almost just poked my skin. Oh, be very careful. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is just brush the hair up and take out the excesses above that line that we drew. As you draw here. Let's take out any hair too. Yeah, and the part of this side. This is how my brows look. This is the finished look. Yes, it's very easy. You can shape your brows in less than 5 minutes from what you can see in this video. If there are any areas where you have problems with, let me know in the comment section. When you're working with something like a razor blade, you want to be very, very careful so you don't cut yourself. I cut myself here, but even if I cut myself, it's going to heal very quickly and it's not going to leave any scars on me, so I'll definitely be fine. So be very careful when you're working with a razor blade. There are other tools you can work with, like there's this stuff they use in shaping brows. I'll just put a picture of it in this video, so you can also work with that if you have that at your disposal. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please support me by clicking on the subscribe button. Also make sure you like this video so that YouTube is able to push this video to other viewers who are going to find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold and have courage, guys. Live a positive life. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.